Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur Mori and I am an English and SS teacher in Sahajanand English Medium School at Natya Juna, and today we are going to teach about chapter number 2, standard 8, chapter number 2, the tsunami. Right, this chapter is very interesting and very easy to memorize, so every character and every part of the story is very inspiration. So when you will when you will see this video, that time please use your hands free, so much better sound quality and much better to understand how what I explain you. Student, I will going to explain every line and every words myself, and I try to give you best to explain you everything. So without further ado, I want to start the chapter, the tsunami. As you know, student, you all aware about what is the tsunami, right? Tsunami is a kind of the some disaster that happen, and many families and many society and many area will destroy. They destroy it because of tsunami. So very interesting this one. I don't want to discuss other things. Just do the read and better to understand. See, before you read, look at the map of the Andaman and Nicobar Island given here. See, this is the map of the Andaman and Nicobar. This one is a Andaman Island map. See, you see the map in the North Andaman, Middle Andaman, Lower Andaman, Port Blair, Andaman Sea, and Little Andaman. Clear? So, and below the map is a Nicobar Island, Indian Ocean, Car Nicobar, Tarasha, and Kachal, Little Nicobar, Non-Crowy, Great Nicobar. These are the two maps. You just just look at, because of the in this chapter some character which are belong to these areas. That's why this is map over here. See, now read the sentence and below the rewrite the incorrect and one. See, this is the for your home exercise. Kachal is an island, right? Right. So Kachal is an island, right? So where is Kachal? You can find out the where is Kachal. Kachal is over here, right? So it is true or false, right? Is in a not a island, is a part of the island. It is a part of the Andaman group of islands, right? So you just rewrite the every 6 point yourself through the map. Get the help from the map. It's a taking time to me, so that's why you do yourself, right? Through the this whole answer from this 6 question in this two maps, you will find out. This is your home exercise, so do yourself better to understand. So now I am going to read a chapter. What exactly chapter this one? This chapter is about tsunami, about families who face the happen with the what happened with the dam. The detail over here. So I started the reading. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by the earthquake under the sea. How is the tsunami happen? Here is your answer, that because of the earthquake tsunami happened. So tsunami is a very large and powerful wave. Wave, that means wave, sea wave, that is a large and powerful wave. They happen because of the earthquake under the sea. When the earthquake happen under the sea, that time tsunami arise, right? Arose the tsunami, and that tsunami wave is very powerful and very large. Clear? So on 26 December 2004, here is a date about which date happened the tsunami. On the 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and part of the India, such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See, on the 26 December, this is the date that tsunami happened. 26 December, on 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand, in the area of the Thailand and part of the Indian, such as Andaman and Nicobar Island. That also in the two our Indian part in the Andaman Nicobar Island happened, hit the tsunami at these two island, and the Tamil Nadu coast also. The three areas covered, three areas hit by the tsunami islands, Thailand and the part of the India, such as Andaman Nicobar and Tamil Nadu coast area. Tamil Nadu state coast area also hit by the tsunami in 2004. Here are some stories of courage and survival. So in this chapter we have a story, courage, braveness, and survival. How to save his life, how do they manage to survive in tsunami. This is story about this. So did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. See, in this chapter we have also one more extra knowledgeable story, that about animals. Okay, see, did animal have a sense that he can aware about it because some disaster will happen. He have a sixth sense that. So this is story about this animals, survival, courage. This all things about this story. So listen very carefully. You will definitely get the all point and very interesting. This one how to survive in a critical situation. This is story about this. See, you can see the picture. This is the disaster happened because of tsunami. This is caused to tsunami. You can see the car and floated over the water everywhere and the flow cover it all the area with the water. You can see clearly, right? So this happened because of the tsunami. So you can imagine how much create the disaster cause tsunami. So here we have some stories. The first story I am going to read. Here new words you can see in the your right side, right? Archipelago, that is a group of many island and the surrounding the sea. What is the word of the archipelago meaning over here? See, now I am going to read every line. This story are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. So this is story number 1, part 1. That is a story all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago, that means a group of many island. That is called archipelago. Ignatius was the manager of cooperative society in Kutch. See, here we have get the character first name Ignatius. Ignatius is the character name who working in the cooperative society as a manager. Ignatius who was working in the cooperative society as a manager in Kutch. Kutch is an area which is a cooperative society there, and Mr. Ignatius was working over there. So now we got the one character. Ignatius was working as a manager in the cooperative society in Kutch. His wife woke up at 6 a.m. So his wife woke up at 6 a.m. right, because she felt an earthquake. Why his wife wake up an earthquake? Because she felt earthquake. He felt earthquake. He realized earthquake. So Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground. So what did Ignatius when his wife felt an earthquake? So Ignatius very smartly, very talently, he just took his television set on the on the table. So he just took a television set off and its table put it down. That means rolling down on the ground, and so that it would not fall and break. So that's why the table not fall and break, and that's why TV set will not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house, and then after they did these things, Ignatius, then his families rush out. That means they leave that place, leave that house. When the tremors stopped, tremors, that means the slight shake, earthquake tremors, shaking like the tremors, very very fastly shaking. This is called tremors. So when the tremors stopped, they show the sea rising. What they see when the tremors, that means shaking, earth shaking stopped, then they show the sea rising getting up, hike up, getting height. So they see they show the sea is rising in the chaos and confusion. So definitely in the earthquake happens, so obviously any families have a chaos and confusion. What will we do and what should we not do? Whatever many things going on in our mind, and that kind of situation we cannot make a decision. So what is right or what is wrong? Is it true? So the chaos and confusion. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mothers. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mothers and mother's father and mother's brother. Please understand. This one I read again. Two of his children, that means Ignatius' children, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father, fathers and mother's brother, and rushed in the opposite direction. So two of his children, that means Ignatius' two children, he is caught hold on the hands of their mother's father, right? So Ignatius' his mother, that means their mother fathers and his mother's brothers, right? And rushed in the opposite direction. They rushed in the opposite direction, different direction. He never saw them again. right? The Ignatius never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. His wife also swept away, flew away. Only the three other children who came with him was saved. Only three other children who came with Ignatius with him were saved. The three children who came with the Ignatius with him was saved. So this is the story about the Ignatius, right? So Ignatius is working as a manager in the cooperative society. So he was lost his wife, his his mother's fathers also, mother fathers and also mother brother also lost, and his two children also lost. Right? So he also wife also swept. Only three children who came with Ignatius they saved. Other all died. Now second part of the second person story. Ignatius story clear. Now about Sanjeev. Sanjeev, now second character Sanjeev. This is story about Sanjeev. Sanjeev was a policeman and serving in the Kachal island of Nicobar group of islands. See, Sanjeev also work in a Kachal area. वो cooperative managers, here is Sanjeev as a policeman and serving in the Kachal island of Nicobar group of islands. Right, of Nicobar group of island, the Kachal island he working at. He somehow managed to save himself in the tsunami time. At that time, the second story. This is the second family of this in the Kachal. They managed to save himself. His wife and his baby daughter from the waves. He somehow managed to save himself and his wife and his baby daughter from the wave. He somehow managed to save his wife and his baby daughter from the waves, from the tsunami wave. He managed to save his family, in short. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John. When he heard the cries voice, loudly cried, someone said to help me like this way. From his wife, help from the wife of John. John, the guest house cook. John, who was the guest house of cook, the guest house ka cook, his wife crying and shouting for help. So that help shouting voice heard by Sanjeev. So the guest house cook, John's wife, cried and trying to get help, and Sanjeev heard that voice, and Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her. When the John's wife is floating in the water, right? That time the Sanjeev just show it and just he want to rescue the John's wife, and he just jump into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept up. Sanjeev wanted to save John's wife, but both are swept out. That means they float away. They both are dead, in short. So for other help, Sanjeev lost his life. This is really courage. This is bravery. This is the this is a good thing. But he lost his life and he want to save John's wife, but he lost her life. So both, but they were both swept on. The Sanjeev and this is story. Sanjeev somehow managed to help his family and somehow managed to save his family. But John's wife, he want to save her, but he can't save it because of the tsunami wave is too much strong. So both are both swept away. Now this is the story about third one, the 13-year-old Meghna. Now third character, Meghna, right? So a 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents. See, Meghna was swept away along with his parents and 77 other peoples. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. These all are swept away together. She spent 2 days floating in the sea. See, Meghna spent 2 days floating on the sea. 2 days spending on the sea, floating, no shelter, nothing, anything, nothing food, nothing, any facilities. He is just floating on the sea in 2 days. It's a very critical time to survive herself. So this is really courage need when you need to survive in this kind of disaster situation. So holding on how he survived himself, how he managed to how he floating on the sea. So in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. He somehow got the wooden door and he holding the wooden door and he floating 2 days in the sea. 11 times he saw relief helicopter overhead. 11 times he saw the relief helicopter, helping helicopter who's surrounding and flown to on the sea. So 11 times he saw relief helicopter overhead on his head, but they did not see her. But the relief helicopter did not see the Meghna. Somehow that we didn't know, but they didn't see the Meghna, and Meghna just floating in the water in the sea on 2 days and holding up to the wooden door. She was brought to the shore by a wave. How she brought to the shore? How she brought to the shore by a wave. Wave just throw, push, and Meghna through the wooden door, holding the wooden door, and it just reached to the seashore. Shore. And was found walking on the seashore in the gauge. See, he just walking on the seashore when he reached there, and she find in the seashore in the gauge. That means very critical, very bad condition she had, and I found him in a very bad condition. This is story about Meghnas. Now story about Almas, right? So Almas Javed was 10-year-old. Now we talked about how many stories? First Ignace's stories, then Sanji's stories, and third one is a Meghna story. Now about Almas Javed. Almas Javed was 10-year-old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. See, this is introduction about the Almas Javed. Was a 10-year-old. Almas Javed was 10-year-old. She was Almas girls. She was student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair. She was studying in the Port Blair in the school of Carmel Convent, where her father had a petrol pump. So her father had a petrol pump at Port Blair. Her mother Rahila's home was in a Nancrowry Island. So her mother home is in the Nancrowry Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. Alma's family gone there where Nancrowry Island for celebrating Christmas. When the tremor came early in the morning, tremor that means shaking, tremors, earthquake tremors. When the tremor came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. When was the tremor happened? That time the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. Right? See, recede that means move back from where it is waves. That means wave move back. They just go to the back side. Right? That is called recede. From the where it is, exactly where is it available the sea wave. They go to the move back side. That is called recede. Water would come rushing back with the great force. So he understood that the water would come rushing back with the great force. So he has knowledge about that. If the water is flow back, so definitely something wrong happened, right? So this will be the rise, and the water will be rise, and he's come with the great force. That he know. Who's Alma's father? He woke up early up and tried to rush them to a safer place. So understand that the water would come rushing back with the great force. He woke everyone. He just woke up everyone, because he understand that what happened. Woke up everyone and tried to rush them to a safer place. And he just tried to took everyone into the safe place, because he just want to save to his family. So he just tried to everyone to safe place. And as they are. So as they they rush them to safer place. The Alma's father, want to everyone in the put in the safer place, because he know that something will wrong, something will dangerous will happen. So as they ran at that place, and her grandfather was hit on the head by something. So Alma's grandfather hit on the head by something else, and he fell down. So Alma's grandfather fell down, something hit on his head. Her father rushed to help him. So Alma's father wanted to help his father, and he rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave. When her father wanted to help his father, and that time just a giant wave just came, and that swept both them away. See, Alma's father already aware about it. Something will wrong happen, and the wave will be come with the great force. When they all ran from his house, and at that time, Alma's grandfather just hit on his hand something else, and he just fell down. And Alma's father want to help his father, and but unfortunately, at that time, the giant wave just came and they swept from both them away. So Alma's mother and aunt stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree. So Alma's mother and aunt stood clinging to the leaf of a coconut tree. So they Alma's mother and his aunt just clinging. That means clinging on to the leaves of the coconut tree. Coconut tree का जो leaves he just hold it to the coconut trees. And calling out to her, and they calling out to her, Almas to calling out to her. This his mother and his aunt calling to the Almas. Wave uprooted the tree. When they are hold it, they both Almas mother and his aunt. But the water is raised, getting high and a wave uproot the tree. That means floating the tree, overcome to the tree. And they too were washed away. So they too were washed away. Alma's mother also washed away. Alma's aunt also washed away. Alma's father and Alma's grandfather also washed away. Alma's saw log of wood floating. So when the everywhere the tsunami disaster happening now, that time Alma's saw the log of wood, the kind of things wood का जो log होता है वो he show that, and he show the log of wood floating. She climb on it. So he just jump on it and just climb onto it and hold it. Then she fainted, and then he fainted. That means behosh ho gayi. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamoracha. So when she almost woke up, now he just see herself in a hospital in Kamoracha at place. From there she was brought to Port Blair, and then she brought to the Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. Definitely his mentally abilities, we can't imagine his father, his grandfather, his mom, her aunt, her father, her grandfather, her aunt, everyone swept away in wave. So she has not a mentally capacity to explain anything, right? So the little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still and traumatized. Traumatized, that means greatly shocked and distressed. Is still when it's shocked and mentally not comfortable, because he lost his everyone from his family. He lost everyone, every loving person in his life. He just lost his everyone. That's why mentally condition is not a good, that we can see. So here our chapter is finished. I hope you all got the every point. Very interesting story about the from starting of the. This is story about from start. That this is tsunami disaster story. Right, 26 December 2004 tsunami happened, and many families are lost his family members. So Ignatius, this is story about Ignatius. Then this is story about Sanjeev. This is story about Meghna. This is story about Almas Javed's family. Right, so there's a 4 character. This is story about. So all the family lost his family members in this tsunami. So tsunami is very disaster that we can realize, very too much disaster for anyone. So here is a comparison check. Say whether the following are true or false. You just check it out. Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Second is Sanjeev made it to the safety after the tsunami. Meghna was saved by a relief helicopters, and Alma's father realized that the tsunami was going to hit the island, and her mother and aunt were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. See, very easy, true and false. I just give you to this as a homework. You do yourself. This all question answer is available in this paragraph. You just look out, and this is your exercise for you. Do yourself, right? And I will give you answer in the next part. part 2 of this video. So before we will check out which one you are right or which you are wrong, I will give you answer in a part 2. This is your homework for you. I hope all students you get the all point. I gave my best to explain you every line. Very easy to memorize this one story. Collected the new words and write down in your fair book, so much better to understand, and recall the chapter every many times, so much better to understand. Clear? So next part will be soon according to our timetable, right? We will inform you when we upload the next part, right? So please stay home, stay safe, take care yourself, right? Bye.